Do you know you can make 10,000 naira every day selling bread? You think it's a lie? Let me show you how. In this video, I'll teach you how to make this simple bread step by step, and also the cost breakdown so that you can start making your own profits immediately. To begin, I'll start by sifting my flour, and I'm using 3 cups of flour for this recipe. Please, it is always important to sieve your flour so as to remove lumps and also some unwanted particles. And not only that, it will also make your bread to be very smooth. So please always sieve your flour, okay? After that, I'll go in with my sugar, yeast, milk flavor, and sachet milk, just to give our bread that rich milk flavor, okay? After that, I also went in with salt and then combined everything together. As you can see, our recipe is coming together. Please do not add the salt directly to the yeast, because doing so will kill the yeast. Always make sure you add all the ingredients in their different places before going ahead to mix. Do you understand? So after that, I added in my butter and mixed palm to palm until I have a breadcrumbs. Remember, what we are making is bread, and I can tell you for free that bread is one of those snacks businesses that people don't know. After that, go in with your 1 cup of water. Please, your measurement is very important when making your bread or any snacks. And if you don't want to make use of water, you can actually make use of 1 cup of milk, okay? But for the fact you are making this for business, I will advise you to make use of water so that you don't lose. So I'm just going to combine everything together until I form a dough. As you can see, the dough has been formed and it is now time to knead. But before that, you are going to rub a little bit of butter on the work surface. This will enable you to knead the dough very well. So I'm just going to be kneading this dough for at least 40 to 15 minutes depending on my strength. But the truth is that when making bread, kneading is very important. You have to knead your bread until it becomes very soft and smooth. That is the only way you can get a perfect bread at the end. Do you understand? So as you are kneading, you are also hitting the dough on the work surface. This will help soften the bread, okay? And you have to knead until you have a very smooth and stretchy dough. Do you understand? Please, if you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer your questions, okay? So once you are done kneading, transfer into a bowl, cover and allow to proof for at least 30 to 45 minutes. So after minutes of proving, this is what our dough looks like. As you can see, it has doubled in size. So I'll go ahead and transfer this back to the work surface. I'm using my hands to flatten it first before using the rolling pin to roll it out into a rectangular shape. Please let me know where you are watching this video from, because I'm making this video from Ebonyi State, Nigeria. And if you are new here, you are welcome to Dimma's World. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Once I'm done rolling, it is time to fold. So I'm just going to be folding the 2 edges, as you can see, until they come together, okay? After that, I'll be closing it by pinching it up. Then go ahead and roll it out, just to ensure you have a smooth dough, because this determines the final look of your bread. So you just have to package your bread very well, smoothen it very well, and ensure that it is very smooth before transferring it into your bread pan, okay? So I'll be rubbing some butter in the pan. This will help the bread not to stick inside after baking. Once I'm done, I'll transfer the dough inside and allow to proof the second time for at least 30 to 40 minutes. While we are waiting for the bread to proof, I will break and whisk 1 egg into a bowl, which will serve as egg wash on the dough. Okay, so after minutes of waiting, this is what our dough looks like. As you can see, it has doubled in size. So I'm just going ahead to brush the top of the dough with the egg wash. This will give it a shining look after baking. So after that, I'll transfer it into our already preheated oven. And in this video, I'm using the pot to bake. So you don't have any excuses to say I don't have an oven and that is why I'm not baking my bread. Bake for at least 15 to 20 minutes on a low heat. After 15 to 20 minutes, open slightly and check. To know if your bread is ready, the top will be golden brown. If the bread is not brown enough, you can flip and also bake for another 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see, my own is brown enough and I love it that way. So once baked, remove it and allow it to cool down before slicing it, because cutting it while hot will make it look sticky inside. Okay, so now that the bread has cooled down, I'm just going ahead to cut this bread into slices. And those slices is based on how much I'll be selling them. Do you understand? You can actually sell your bread in loaves or in slices. Whichever one you like is okay by you. But as for me, I prefer selling them in slices because by so doing, both the rich and the poor can afford it. Do you understand? So you can see how soft and fluffy this bread is looking. And I must tell you, it's very delicious. So guys, let's look at the cost breakdown and what you stand to gain. As you can see, we made profit of 1,900 naira. Imagine baking up to 7 loaves of bread and selling them that same day. That means you'll be gaining up to 11,000 something, which is actually a good one. And for you to achieve this, you can sell in busy areas like schools, offices, or even take pre-orders from neighbors and friends. You don't need a big bakery to start. Start small and scale. You can actually start from your kitchen. Okay, if you found this video helpful, give it a massive thumbs up, share and comment bread business if you are ready to start. Bye for now and I will see you on my next one.